Just show you some things that have happened with Constructor brush. Like, first thing you'll see is that we've gone into color, and this is actually a 3D print of what's going to be a silicon cover which can go over the hydro blades. And then if you look closely here, you'll see that some of these holes are open and some of them are closed. So you'll actually be able to manually yourself change the flow rate on a Constructor, right? And then just clip that on, you know, in silicon. And then we're going to be able to put it, like, sometime in the middle of the year we'll have hydro blade on the bottom, and you'll be able to block it off completely or open it up, because we're really believing that there should be water in the downstroke. Let me show you some other colors. Have a look at that. We got it in yellow. We got Window Genie purple. Woo! They look pretty cool, don't they, Lee?
We got another orange.
We got another orange. We got green. We got blue. We got red. Maybe the red is already gone, is it?